Hello investors. Today we again deep dive into some fundamentals of investing. The working of stock market indeed. So we will break up this session into say five parts. So first we'll discuss what is a stock, why do companies sell stocks, how and why stock prices fluctuate, why to invest in stock market, and finally how to invest in the stock market. So first, what is a stock? A stock or a share is a financial token which represents the ownership of a company in some proportion. It is a piece of business ownership even if it's just 5 number of stocks. Example, Grasim Industries has 1000 shares of which you own 10 shares. So you still own 1/2000th of the Grasim's business. Yes, you don't have controlling stakes in Grasim with such less amount of holdings, but still you have the voting rights or the voting rights for approving or disapproving the financial decisions, or have the privilege to get dividends which are distributed for excess earnings from the company's profits. Now that you are clear on what is a stock, why do companies sell stocks? Simply, it's for them to raise capital. So they approach stock market. The company comes up with an IPO, initial public offering, to offload some shares to public or institutional investors for raising capital through stock market. This will change the company's status from private to publicly traded one. The capital can be used for repaying either for repaying debt or for capex for nurturing growth and expansion of business. Also, companies can come up with offer for sales or otherwise called OFS to offload the promoter stakes and dilute the shareholding, and again to raise capital to fund the business needs. Once the company stocks are listed in stock market, people can trade in them. Trade as in they can buy or sell the stock. The price of the stock fluctuates based on the demand and supply of number of stocks of that company in the stock market. Normally, in the absence of any macroeconomical events, the stock price is bound to follow the earnings that is reported by the company. Like if the earnings go high, if a company has good results, then the investors or the traders or whoever it is in try to buy more of the stocks to participate in the earnings, and hence the demand goes high, then the stock price goes high. So a good results eventually is followed by a rise in demand and hence price going up, and vice versa. If earnings is less, the profit by the company is less, so then the demand for the stock goes down and hence the demand is low, the supply is more, so the cost goes high. So it is end of the day the game of demand and supply. So also if a negative news strikes the company, like the CEO resigned, or if there is some excess debt and there is some payment defaults or some debt delay in debt repayment or any bad news, this can affect the intelligence and even the emotions of the investor, and they sell the stock. So once they sell the stock, then there is enough supply in the market and again the stock goes low, or the price of the stock goes low. Now, how and why stock price fluctuates? Again, this we have partly discussed in the last session. So, as I mentioned, the fluctuations is based on the demand and supply of the shares for the company or stock. If there are more buyers, then the price go up. as the investors ask for a buy price higher, as the demand being high, obviously the price catches up with that higher price, thus shooting up the price to green. If the sellers are more, then the supply is more, then the stock goes red. So now, why to invest in a stock market? You would be thinking, if a FD fetches you, currently I am in 2021, speaking in 2021, so in India it is somewhere around 5.5% interest rate for typical FD. So why to invest in high risk stock market, rather invest in FD to fetch 5.5% annually? The fact is, if you understand how to invest wisely, then you your capital can multiply much high or in multiple folds to bring you great fortune. You can call it a multi-bagger or a 10-bagger. Many names are there in stock market. If you see the company in which you have invested, they work day and night to bring you profits, if managed well by great insightful managements. So even if you sleep, the beauty here is that your money compounds for you overnight, because the managers of the good company is working day and night to bring in good profits or earnings to the company, which again reflects in your stock price, which again shoots up the stock price and again making your wealth multiply multifolds. Now the last session, which is simple, how to invest in a stock market. So this part is really simple and I may not detail much on this. You can simply open a Demat account and start investing. Happy investing.